friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today, being a Christmas special recipe video, we're going to be making some amazing Christmas traditional gravy and some Christmas hot dogs. So let's get started. So first we're going to make the gravy, for which in a heavy bottom pan I'm going to add a knob of vegan butter and some olive oil. So once the butter melts and heats up, I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, a big star anise and 4 cloves. Now we can saute this for a minute. Next, I'm going to add around 3-4 tablespoons of roughly chopped garlic, and you can saute this till the time the garlic changes color. Next, I'm going to add a big white onion chopped and a whole green onion chopped. So I have chopped the green and the white part of the green onion. Now we can saute this for 2-3 minutes. Once done, here I've chopped around 7-8 big mushrooms, and I'm going to add that to the mix, followed by 4-5 shiitake mushrooms. So here I'm using dried shiitake mushrooms that I've chopped. If you have access to fresh ones, you can add them instead. And next I'm going to add a whole large carrot sliced, followed by a handful of sweet corn, and next I'm going to add in around 4-5 celery leaves along with their stems. So first I have chopped the stems, I'm going to add those, and then the celery leaves. Now we can let the vegetables saute and cook for around 2-3 minutes. And then we can add a teaspoon each of rosemary, parsley, thyme and basil. So next I'm going to add a tablespoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for added flavor. Now you can add 2.5 tablespoons of wheat flour at this stage and saute it with the vegetables. It skipped my mind totally at this stage, so I roasted the wheat flour and I've added it later with the stock. If you wish to make it gluten-free, you can add rice flour instead. Followed by 6 tablespoons of light soy sauce, around 5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and around 5 tablespoons of red wine. So now we can give this all a good mix. And next I'm going to add 2.5 cups of concentrated veg stock. Now we can cover this and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once done, we can remove the lid, and I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of roasted wheat flour at this stage and give it a good mix, as I forgot to add it earlier. And now we can take a good potato masher and mash all the vegetables really well. So now I'm going to strain this through a sieve, little by little. Once done, I'm gonna add Himalayan pink salt to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and our amazing gravy is done. This gravy can be enjoyed with some tofu or veggie steaks, with some mashed potatoes, some brown rice, or anything you like. But we are gonna get creative and make some Christmas hot dogs with them. Now I'm gonna slice 3 hot dog rolls. And I'm gonna add vegan butter on both the sides. Sprinkle these with lots of vegan cheese. I'm gonna put the link to buying the vegan cheese and butter in the description box. And now I'm gonna toast these in the oven at around 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes so that the vegan cheese melts and the bun is a little crisp. So it's finally time to assemble the hot dogs. So I've caramelized some onions and I'm gonna add that on each bun, followed by our veggie hot dogs that I've sauteed in oil. Link to buying the veggie hot dogs is in the description box. And next we can add cranberry sauce on both the sides of the buns. I had cooked this cranberry sauce in my last video. I shall put the link to that in the description box. And finally, we can generously pour our gravy on top of each hot dog. And our yum Christmas hot dogs are done. They taste truly festive.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these recipes. Please go ahead and try it out and have an amazing Christmas.